Brian DiMambro, we have here a late 19th century folding, color lithographed map of Lake Placid, New York. It was issued by a small group of people, the Shore Owners Association. This unique map is detailed and shows things such as a bicycle path, various sorts of inns and hotels, Stevens House, the Lake Placid House. It also includes, there's the Grandview Hotel, there's a sawmill, railway station, post office, there's a school and a church, sawmill, John Brown's grave, and so on. Interesting map, which is printed right beside a small map of the trails in the vicinity of Mount Marcy. And this large map is printed on almost a bond paper, and it folds nicely into the rear of this scarce little booklet here called the Shore Owners Association. It's was produced. It's a constitution for the officers, a list of the officers and members. It's got a long list in 2 columns, written in pencil, of place names, and the booklet is just 16 pages long. It's very scarce, clean, well preserved, and it's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.